This is a primer surfacer from Sherwin-Williams. We're going to do 2 coats on this. The second coat will be about the same. It'll just gloss it up, flatten it out a little bit more. We'll give it a light sand on the next coat, but stick around. We'll get that going on, and you'll watch this beauty transform, right? All right. Nothing to it the way we do it. Like and subscribe if you're getting some value. We'll do this again. All right. Thanks a lot. Need your support. All right, we got the final coat of paint going on right now. Been sanded off 320, scratch padded, blown off, tacked off. Let's get the coat on. Looks beautiful. You want a nice, even, wet coat. Looks nice.